I should put some of my headphones on because I don't have my headphones on. This is super scary. Like, okay, I'm not good at Minecraft. Yeah, I want to get... I hate the long fall. I like it better when it's lower too. That's scary. Okay, I made one. I'm in top 98. I don't know. The lag is surreal though. I don't feel this one. But I don't know how they're gonna make it. 17 or no. Okay. We're trying for top 75. Reason being, this is my first ever event. If I win, I don't think there's a money prize. I don't know, my twin is a wavy. No, she's not my twin. I lied. I'm sorry for lying to you. I am her. Okay, it doesn't look like anyone's died yet, which is great. Oh great, some people have died. I feel bad for them. See, bag of chips. He's a helper on here, so no one became him. I'm scared. I'm terrified. Yay, top 95. Yo, if I win the clout though. Care if I win or not. Like, winning would be great. I'm here for the experience. Okay, I'm going over here. Simon says don't jump. Simon says don't jump. Well, I'm not going to jump. Okay, I'm gonna fall by just trying to do parkour. I'm gonna like this. I'm trying. Oh, that's my friend. Charlie, yay. He was the one who invited me to this thing. He's really cool. He doesn't have a mic though, so we can't chat during it. Oh great, I'm terrified.